For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India's top drug regulator, Drugs Controller General of India, has granted permission to Serum Institute of India to conduct Phase 2 and 3 human clinical trials in India on the potential COVID-19 vaccine. 3 to 4 trial sites have demonstrated the requisite preparedness, and doses of the candidate vaccine could be administered as early as Monday or Tuesday. Phase 2 human clinical trials of the Oxford University AstraZeneca vaccine candidate for COVID-19 manufactured by Serum Institute of India will begin this week. After a thorough evaluation, the DCGI has given approval to SII to perform Phase 2-3 clinical trials based on the recommendations of the Subject Expert Committee. The government has allowed fast tracking of regulatory clearances for the vaccine against the novel coronavirus. The final approval was related to certification from the Directorate General of Health Services Central Research Institute in Kasauli. The approval was for the use of the investigational product in Phase 2 or 3 clinical trials. The trials can begin simultaneously at all sites that are prepared. 4 of the 14 trial sites are in Pune and 2 are in Mumbai. The ICMR Regional Medical Research Centre, Gorakhpur, and 2 other sites will not be part of the clinical trials. The Oxford AstraZeneca candidate has shown encouraging results in early human trials. Pune-based Serum Institute, the world's largest manufacturer of vaccines, is conducting Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of the candidate, which has been named Covishield in India. We are ready to start the trial and are waiting for the official communication from the authorities. If the vaccine doses are sent on Monday, we can begin Phase 2 clinical trials on Tuesday. Many people want to enroll. We have committed to enroll 350 trial participants. The criteria for enrollment include being healthy, above 18 years of age, and not having been infected with the virus. The other 2 trial sites in Pune are KEM Hospital and Research Centre, Vadu, and BJ Medical College and Sassoon General Hospital. SII has a partnership with AstraZeneca to manufacture the COVID-19 vaccine in India. Covishield will be released for commercial use after the trials are successfully completed and regulatory approvals are in place. This will be a double blind. Neither the researchers nor the participants will know who is getting the vaccine and who is getting a placebo. According to the Clinical Trials Registry India, of the 1600 subjects of the trial, 400 will be part of the immunogenicity cohort. 1200 will be randomly assigned in a 3:1 ratio to receive either Covishield or a placebo. Covishield will be administered as 2 0.5 ml intramuscular doses on day 1 and day 29 of the trial.